What's the meaning of communal? Communal. Communal.
Communal. Communal. The term communal typically refers to something that is shared or done by a group of people rather than an individual. It implies a sense of community and collective responsibility. Communal activities can include sharing resources, living in close proximity to others, and working together towards common goals. Communal living arrangements can help foster a sense of belonging and support, but may also require compromise and cooperation. The concept of communalism has been present in various cultures throughout history and remains relevant today in discussions of social and political organization.